leverage so much the last like 2 months where I haven't really like dug deep in the BRC20. But yeah, it's like a $3 billion market cap. But I think Ordi is like what everything. I think Ordi is like what is Ordi, guys? Is Ordi kind of like the Uniswap of BRC? I think that I don't know.
I need to look into some new
but I don't
coins,
even
bro.
know what it does.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
an ordinal. You're right. Okay, that's what I thought.
Wait, it's an Oracle?
No, it's an ordinal, like a Bitcoin ordinal.
Oh, okay.
So like where like ERC20, you know how Ethereum coins are ERC20.
Yeah.
So Bitcoin coins that are built on Bitcoin are BRC20.
Got you. That makes sense. That's probably why a lot of players were in it recently.
Just doesn't like these newer coins. It's a little bit harder for me to trade, but I think like 60, we can get pulled back to 60 on Ordi, or 55 to 52 is a good scalp level. You guys want to do a leverage trade on it today or tomorrow?
It's the equivalent of ERCA.
You said 60?
Yeah, you have a 1 hour liquidity pocket, and it would also sweep the 2 wicks that we got below the range. It would set up for a deviation below the range. 60.26. If we slice through that, though, you got a nice big juicy level between 55.34 to 52.83. I'm 100% win rate on Ordi. So like these levels are just super respected. That's all I mean by that. So like if I have a high win rate on it, then like I love scalping the coins with high win rates, because that just means that they respect levels. You know, some of these alts don't respect shit, bro. And they're harder to trade. Where like Ordi is so clean. You know, you have a big, massive range POC. You have value area highs. You have value areas, and they're always being respected. So it's I look at it as like an ETH, but that you just get bigger moves on it.
Yeah, he's trash. Yo, AB, have a good one, my brother.
Yeah, AB, have a good day, bro.
OXO is definitely going to be the fucking Uniswap. Absolutely.
Yeah, OXO is Uniswap ERC. OXO is like multiple things, but yeah, I believe so.
Bro, OXO is going to be the Mafia's favorite coin.
What do you expect to be the strongest out of Beam, Pal, and OXO? I mean, yeah. I think Pal and OXO probably outperform Beam just because Beam is at nearly a $1 billion market cap, fully diluted. So maybe does like a 20x, 25x of gaming. I mean, that's so good. I think all of them could do 20, 25x from current price. So
shit, I might try to knife catch this real quick on Ordi. Just a quick scalp right now.
I really want 41.1 on BTC, but I don't think we get it. I think a 42.8 retest, if we do get it, is a good buy. But I'm long right here, so I'm hoping we just break out to 46K. I look to short that and then look to relong 42.8. Possibly, I don't know. It's kind of difficult here.
Damn.
Do you think Baze is gonna run? They've been building. I faded Baze so bad. Oh my goodness, I don't want to talk about Baze.
I think Baze could be one of the top.
That was a great call on Baze, bro. I fucking game. I lost out like $250,000 on Baze.
Yeah, that's crazy. I look to buy Baze around 13, like 10 cents. Get this beat test down here. I think Baze could be like one of the better gamify plays.
Yeah, it was a good call, bro. Especially here.
Not really concerned right now. It really hasn't went up too much.
How much is it up off your initial call?
What?
How much is it up off your initial call?
Baze.
No, on Baze. Up nicely. A 15x. That's crazy, bro. Fucking faded ass. Crazy.
I won't anymore. Like 26x.
That's crazy. You put the AB. I really like FET, man. FET for me, I'm holding a bag. I've always held a bag of FET. I think that's a no-brainer hold. And I know Mikkel loves FET. So like, if you want a safe 8 to 10x, I think FET is definitely it.
Yeah, what's Fed's market cap? Fed's been one of the best performing AI. You can't really ignore that.
Yeah, it's usually the leader.
This is what like a lot of coins you want to look at right now, like coins that are like nearly fully diluted. Like they don't have really like much new coins coming into circulation. That's what makes it sexy. I see fat 10x from here easily, like $6, like for sure.
I agree. Trust me, guys. AKT is the AI. What's AKT? You ever heard of that?
Fat Eli said $1 a magnet. I mean,
Oh, $1 is a no-brainer in my opinion, even in like the short term.
Yeah.
And in like the next 2-3 years, I could see FET doing some numbers. Akash Network. Would it be a good time to buy PAL and OXO? I don't know too much about PAL, but OXO is.
I think I got
OXO
good
is just,
coins.
bro. OXO gives no good retest, John. It literally is just like it consolidates, moves up, consolidates, moves up. Like OXO retest when, baby? Never.
People want to get like sub 10 cents, but I don't know if it's gonna come.
You know what I think would be a great retest if whenever OXO hits $1, you get the retest of like 60.
Ace. I hold Ace long term. Thoughts on Aegis?
I like Ace.
I don't really. I don't like. I hold Aegis. Don't get me wrong. I think it has a lot of hype just because a lot of people are in and got in early. But like, it's just like AI like security auditing, right? Like contract auditing. Like, I don't really know if like I see like. I mean, the holder breakdown, it looks pretty nice. Not too big. I don't have access to Binance.
Yeah, I wish I did too. Shake my hand.
Yeah, me too, dude.
I miss finance, bro. I'll tell you that. I miss that shit.
I might use my grandfather's like shit who lives in the Philippines and just use all his IDs and stuff.
I might just have to move to the Philippines.
you can't go there, man. Stay here in Florida with me, bro. We good.
Florida, what? I live in Europe. Which coin's not made big move? You advise me to hold for the next run. Oh, we've been talking about this. It's like I would wait for John to say.
I'll just wait until the ETF for right now. Like honestly, like see what happens. Like you don't fucking know what the fuck is gonna happen.
Like I don't feel like anyone's in a rush right now, right? I don't think we're in a rush right here.
Yeah, like I think right now, just like patience is good. Like if you weren't buying down here with us, if you weren't buying down here and this whole run up, like to say even like 28, 30K.
26.6, baby. That was it.
If you waited this long, like I think just wait for the ETF because like, I do think eventually at some point, like I think like these lows get cleaned out at some point before having. So like I think you'll have a better buying opportunity on Bitcoin at some point, where people get bored and like, oh, the ETF is selling news and like Capo's calling for 12K. Like when we start coming down here, is like when we just want to start to load up. I can't wait for the ETF number to be honest.
Me neither, bro. I cannot. It's like I keep saying there's so many good opportunities recently. Don't get me wrong. I'm only complaining because the opportunities that I'm catching, I'm just getting chopped up in the middle on logical levels that end up holding, come back to entry. But there's good opportunities up and down if you're treating this like a range. Like it's been so nice when like if you swing 40K, 45 the past 2 weeks that you guys purchase the low end of the wicks, sell the high end. But it's been easy, much easier said than done. I mean,
y'all use the fibs. I'm surprised, man. When we did this before, you fucking
not even the fibs, Pocky. They go straight through the fibs, bro.
If you pull from the low to the high.
I mean, like within the range, bro. Like logical areas are being swept right through just for them to come back to entry.
Yeah, that's what happened in the last like 4 days. They just fucking nuked through and just come right back.
What's your ZK Tech project? Yeah, that's for John. I'm pretty sure he knows more about that than me.
Honestly, I don't really know much about ZK. I know like Impulse and Muslim and a few others have been farming the ZK airdrop. But when it comes to stuff like that, I'm not really too knowledgeable about it, in my opinion, to really give a good answer. So, do you see any 10% drawdowns at the ETF like that? As I do think like a possible retest, like I just said, like I do think like Bitcoin could go up to 50K from here. Don't get me wrong, but I do think afterwards, like a few days after, or maybe a week or whatever, you see
I think we get a mean correction.
so some of these could clean up. Like I could see like even like down to like 30, 28K maybe. I don't know.
Ooh, I would love that, but I agree with you. I think if we pump up to 50K, I could see at least a 25% correction, in my opinion.
Yeah.
And that's gonna be where the bottom is, like a logical bottom where everyone's super bearish and
Let's see, we hit 50K, 25% correction. Like, yeah, like hit 50K, like you get like a 30% correction to the market, like, on 34.
Yeah, I agree with that. I really like anywhere from like 36K to like 33K would be like so sexy to get that.
I think once we start hitting like below 38K, like and lower after ETF, like that's all good long term buying areas.
Damn, OP looks juicy. ARB looking juicy too. And alt get killed.
And
Yeah,
ARB
alt will get smacked.
ARB gave the perfect retest.
Yeah, ARB did give. Abe gave ARB gave a nice one last night, bro. I wasn't looking. It gave a Pico perfect retest. Do you see Chainlink moving to the top 10? Man, I think eventually Chainlink will have an ETF as well. That's how bullish I am on Chainlink long term.
Fuck. Yeah, ARB does look good.
I really kind of want to hop in right. I'm still holding OP. I closed for the group, but I'm still in.
ARB, OP. LDO hasn't really moved either.
Yeah, that's about it. That's all I was gonna say. LDO hasn't really moved. Maker, I fucking had a clean bottom and canceled the maker limit. Stupid. Tia is still kind of bullish, but I wouldn't really long too heavy here.
ARB's got big res here. I mean, LDOs.
SO will actually look like it could bounce here if market holds. I can definitely see SO doing it. Little inverse head and shoulder retest here.
Yeah, I want to see Soul hold this.
Damn, OP looks so juicy.
What did you call OP at today?
Yeah, I called it like I woke up at 8 a.m., called it, and then it went up 2%, and then I moved my stops up, but I never moved.
That's why.
So the people in the group probably hate me. I saw it in a nice falling wedge. Yeah, it's got a little inverse and shoulder low time frame. A lot of alts are holding key levels right here as well. If you look at total two, as a whole, total two, the fact that it hasn't broke down yet still is kind of like this is where we should bounce from. Like if we don't bounce here, I think we go much lower.
Yeah, it's at the range lows, like on like a 30-minute time frame.
Yeah. I see. Like it's holding that high flip from December, in the middle of December, how it pushed up, and it's trying to flip it into support. It's holding this level here. So this either a really good hold level for at least some bearish retest, or just cascade lower.
I think we see one more push up on total, and then we get that retest back down like 1 point. That's where I'm.
If we
buy back down.
If we pop like 8% on alts, targets on OP is $1.54, and then 1 sec, bro, let me chart. $1.50 or 354 and 374. That's what I'm targeting today. If we get 8% pops on alts, or like maybe even less, I think I'm definitely looking to hop into some shorts soon for alts. ENS is really weak too. ENS might be a buy on a put. Like if we get a sick flush on ENS, it's going to be a buy around like that 1040 level, but I don't know if it gets that low.
I'm about to take this high ass risk short long on Ordi real quick.
I think we're close to a pump. I think we pump into closing. Oh, OP might be giving a retest right here, by the way. It just started rejecting. If anybody wants to hop in OP, this might be might be a little good entry.
Look at this fucking bomb chart. How much is bomb capitalized?
Yeah, guys, if you want to hop in OP right here, you hop in right here with a small position and try to DCA down at 336 and then get your stop at 326. Pretty easy play.
Yeah, as long as like it doesn't start trading all time high, which is like 324.
Yeah.
Pretty good level here for OP.
Thoughts on power? That's Pocky's baby right there. He'd be trading shit like that.
Yeah, it's in a area. It's just a real big DCA, so you guys gotta go low leverage your spot.
INJ, I like INJ's strength a lot both. So I definitely have my eyes on INJ. I've screwed up a few entries recently with it, like tested some good levels. But if it comes down to $34, that's a no-brainer buy. It just looks like it wants to hold its 36 level of support for now, but super choppy price action, man, on INJ. Super, super choppy.
What's INJ at right now? It's at 40 earlier.
It's at
It's at 37 now. Jeez, yeah, that coin is fucking all over the place.
that's what, bro. But look at INJ's price action, bro. So choppy. Just
Yeah,
in this
literally.
big ass range.
I'm gonna calm down here. Yeah, I think if you gotta get retest like 35 to 90.
Like around those low wicks, yeah, like that.
But honestly, I'm hoping Bitcoin holds here like 43.9 retest and get that move to 46.
Nah, I agree.
Then,
Like every
it's like and so many people are fucking, I don't know.
every drop is completely absorbed on BTC. Like I was short yesterday from the top wick, completely absorbed. I round tripped almost everything basically. So that's just kind of telling for me right here, especially in this level. As long as we keep holding above 4, we shouldn't retest 42.8. If we retest 44, we'll retest that 42.8, and I think that's a good buy. But I don't think we should get there if we're gonna go higher.
Damn, you guys, somebody's nuking Ordy right now. Fuck.
Are you in?
Yeah, I'm in.
There's been a lot of players in Ordy like the past few days. There's been a lot of liquidations in Ordy.
Yeah, I mean, I'm like, are they gonna stop now? I might just trim now. I'm a little bit in profit. Fuck it. Yeah, it looks like I want to go lower.
And Johnny, do you have areas of interest for TIA and SEI spot? Bro,
I've been trying to say,
TIA, bro, I don't know about you, Johnny, but TIA for me, I've had such good areas on TIA to buy, and I had plans to buy, and I missed every move with it.
Yeah, T is fucking. T is super volatile too. And you'll have like a 20% move up, and then it'll fucking. Oh, nice Bitcoin. Very nice.
We pumping?
Oh, we
No.
dumped.
We're not. Oh, we're nuking. Oh, beautiful.
Yeah, I've been in this short for too long.
Gorgeous.
John's fighting me out.
Love to see this. We should hold right here, though. This should be a good hold. Nasty rejection, though, on that last retest of 44.5. Nasty.
Nice. Johnny, thoughts for 2024? I think like we'll have a correction post ETF into halving. I don't know. I think something like this could happen. Fuck, no, I got rid of it. But yeah, I got rid of it. But I think like, we can push up and then like correct down to like in 30s, like something like this, and then like maybe come down here, go a little sideways for having it. I think we're gonna go push higher towards like 100K. End of summer, fall.
Let's fucking go, baby. Come on, BTC, flip green, baby. Flip
I don't
green.
think alts are gonna go down either way. I mean, that's why I also said that if you've been riding alts this whole time, it's a good area to take some profits. Like I said that like a week ago. When Bitcoin was at like 45K.
Yeah, did you some of your spot bags at the top, bro? Like that shit epic.
Nah, that's what bro. That's what you always do though. That's what like even at the top of 2021, you pulled out your spot. You're really good at pulling out spots. Weekend dump. Ultra actually holding not like OPR. They're holding pretty good here. Like on this buy, that was the buy for OP right there. I got my buys down at 336 right there. If anybody paid attention.
I don't really sell my long term bags. So I plan to share a whole long term plan accumulation. I mean, I already have been. I've already have accumulated the last like 12, 18 months here.
That's
I already
all we
have
do.
I already have like most of my bags I'm already long term allocated that are up like 10, 15, 20x. But I have like a little bit of capital I plan on adding into the market after ETF madness. But I've been sharing my long term plan for months.
SCI, bro. SCI has been super weird too lately, man. It was weak on the last dump, and it just fucking reversed the whole move. And now it looks pretty good here.
Yeah, I had a clean retest of 63.5.
Yeah, clean retest. This one's in a weird place though. It's kind of choppy in the middle. I don't know about SCI. I don't really trade it often. I think people are looking for new spot for alts. I don't think, like I said, I don't think there's a rush, man. I really don't think there's a rush on anything. If you're playing position now too, like, you gotta be playing smaller positions, man. I'm literally playing with a 5K portfolio right now in futures. By the way, like that's nothing.
Yeah, like I don't think right now is like a rush to allocate the spot. If anything, it's like a place to take profits. Like I said.
I think we still have yet to see capitulation on alt. We have yet to see I mean, we saw like the capitulation the other day. I wouldn't even call it a capitulation. That was more or less like a cascade, but we haven't seen like a brutal 30-40% red day like on the day.
Yeah, I know it's been a while actually. I was just looking at when the last time we had like a big correction. It was when Bitcoin made that big dip. A lot of alts like they take like 50%. So like
it's been a minute, bro. It's been like I think a year and a half, 2 years since we've had like maybe less since we've had like a real fucking brutal day in the market, like a super fire sale.
Like Matic, when Matic made that like 50% drop during the summer was pretty bad. That's like when BTC did its little drop. Yeah, like Matic recovered really well actually.
I'm not gonna lie. After trading the past like week or two, I missed trading in like June, July, August when we had those like 2% moves and that was the wins. I was smacking around the summer. I missed those days after trading this shit. And there's opportunity too. Like, don't get me wrong. I'm not here saying there's opportunity. There's so much opportunity right now, but you literally have to be so patient and you got to be just can't be chasing the price you feel is going to hold. You just got to be putting looser limits for places you don't think is going to retest. Like, that's literally been the playbook. Maybe we won't have it. Maybe it's going to be normal to have 20, 30% dips and that's it. It's normal to have corrections in uptrends. We just have yet to see like a brutal correction. And the one we had the other day was like it was such a weird cascade. Like it happened at a weird time. And I don't know, it was just a weird one. Like I don't feel like it's it right there, false. I think alts are gonna see another dip in the future. So I think there's a lot of opportunity. Already moving now?
Yeah. It had me sweating, bro. I got fulfilled. I was like, oh fuck. I wasn't expecting to get fulfilled.
Yeah. I'm all the way in OP right here too. Fucking BTC, bro. I just gotta keep short of my level, bro. The same level I've been playing for shorts I've been paying, bro.
I think it's scout. I mean, it's the moves are big right now. Like, don't get me wrong on that, but it's still, I feel like, still a scalpers market. It's just scalpers are like banking right now. Like these ranges are so big.
Swing here, yeah, straight scalpers market here. It's impossible. Like, if you can't hold a position from 41K and feel safe, where are you going to feel safe? I mean, it's impossible to swing right here. Unless you're like, I'm planning out swings for a short from 46 and a long from 41, but
I've been building a short on BTC since John was like, "We're gonna come get your stop loss." I was like, "Oh fuck me, man." Jesus, and it literally happened. And I was like, "Fuck, man, I want to short this still." Current entry is like 44, 416. It's a GP. We just shorted the GP.
damn, I was in a good short yesterday too, and I fucking round tripped everything. It's crazy.
We're expecting a pullback. We're expecting like a big correction for us to load up. Like 30
If the weekly closes over 44K, over 44.5 is what I would ideally like to see. I think we do try to push there before the weekly closes. I think we're just gonna end up pushing through this week. I think this week we're gonna have some green days. It's been a minute since we've been popping off. I think it gives everybody who is shaken out of the market sideline and people that are still here fucking some opportunities.
Yeah,
I don't know. I think you can see. I can see like a 3K candle, big one on the approval, just get smacked all the way back down.
big
Oh,
wave.
that's exactly what I'm anticipating, bro. I just hope it doesn't swing
Yeah,
fast.
I'm trying to catch both those fucking moves. I think it'll be like fucking FOMC, like PA, like you get like
Yes, exactly. Well, it's actually like a debate. So it's like a small debate move, then like a bigger move, and that's when like the big one happens. So
I don't even know. It's gonna be fun to see. But I did see that it might not be coming until Wednesday. They're gonna wait for the last day. But who the fuck really knows?
ag trader is probably going to be broken. It's just going to sound like a fucking heartbeat, just like.
But all right, I'm probably gonna go eat. I just got back from the gym. Sean.
Got a
All
pump.
right, guys. I'll talk to you. I'll talk to you guys soon. I'm in OP still, guys. I'm still in BTC. Hopefully, pump the closing.
Later, guys.
Peace,
Later,
guys.
boy.